What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we are checking out GTR Leslie's NISSAN GTR R35. This is a 2017 model, at least that's how it started, but there is a lot that has been done to this car. It is far from stock, as you can see. It is insane. So today I'm going to show you around it. I'm going to show you all the cool stuff Leslie has done to it, both on the exterior, interior and engine, and then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel if you don't want to miss any videos. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you're updated, and check out GTR Leslie on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. His handle is GTR Leslie on all platforms. Go check him out because he makes some awesome content with his flame spitting GTR. Make sure you check him out. So as I said, we've got a 2017 model, which means that 2017 was actually quite a big facelift. Engine wise, it went from 550 to 570 horsepower. It got improved cooling, improved suspension, a new front bumper. So quite a bit, but you don't really see anything on this car anymore. So we'll take a look at the car and I'll show you all the insane stuff that Leslie has done to it. So we've got a top secret body kit on it. We've got a lot of top secret stuff. So the entire front bumper is top secret. As you can see, little plaque right there, all carbon fiber. And it is very pronounced. Look at that, that is insane. That is a splitter. Very, very impressive. He also painted the car. So it was orange originally, and he painted the car to make it a little bit deeper of an orange, a bit of a, you know, less orangey, more brownish color, which I really like. I love the combination between the carbon fiber and the orange. So we've got this carbon fiber hood as well from Top Secret with hood pins. I'll show you more later on. We've got these fender extensions on there as well with little winglets there, smoked blinkers, these carbon fiber air vents here in the fenders as well. I mean, that looks freaking awesome. Really, really cool. Then we've got these rotiform wheels. Now, these are quite big wheels, 285 at the front, 21 inch. Very cool wheel. And behind that, we've got that caliper in almost the same, well, in the same color. Standard brakes, but Leslie is thinking about doing an upgrade. But he told us that he was looking at Nismo carbon ceramics, and that was 20,000 euros. So we said, well, I'm not going to do that, which I understand. But the stock brakes are actually pretty good. We've also got KW suspension, just the springs, the standard dampers, which are Bilstein and adjustable. GTR logo right there, more carbon fiber, more vents, carbon fiber side skirt, carbon fiber mirror caps. GTR Leslie. And this is 4-second race club. So the mirrors and the roof and the interior stuff. All the rest is top secret. Carbon fiber roof, by the way. Very, very cool. He also got rid of the fin on the roof, he told me, because he thought it was ugly. Well, I completely agree, Leslie. This is much better. Looks awesome. Then we've got these fender extensions on the rear as well. And take a look at this. This is a 355 rear tire. That is immense. I can't even reach the inside like that. Oh my God, that is massive. I don't think did we ever have a tire that big? Maybe on a Murcielago or something? I don't know. I think it might be the widest rear tire we've ever driven. And then at the rear, we've got a top secret rear bumper as well with a big diffuser, and we've got an Army Tricks exhaust, as you can see, completely decat straight to the rear, and it spits huge flames. You can actually see that it started to melt here because Leslie does like to flame it up. We're not going to do that in this video, so make sure you check out the sound video because it is insane. And then we've got this massive carbon fiber boot lid spoiler as well from Top Secret. So there is a lot of stuff on this car. I forgot about these. These are Valenti Japan rear lights. which do look nice, and he's got an upgrade for the front lights as well that are going to go on soon. So let's check out the engine. Cool hood pins. There we go. So this is a top secret hood, as I said, all carbon fiber. So it is, I mean, that is super light, and it looks really awesome with those vents in there, little scoops, and the hood pins. Very cool look. And then we've got the engine itself, 3.8 liter V6 hand-built GTR engine, a freaking legend. VR38 if I'm not mistaken, and well, as I said, stock 570 horsepower, 637 newton meters of torque. Now, as I said, it's not stock, so we've got the usual suspects, intakes, downpipes, an upgraded MRT intercooler, and we've got these upper pipes with a tile blow off in there as well. And then we've got 1050cc injectors. We've got an ECU Tech remap, and for the ECU and the TCU, so the transmission as well. And then we've got 3 maps on that software, so Leslie can drive his car regularly as well. But he likes to give shows, so if you go check him out on Instagram or YouTube, you will see that he loves to make a spectacle with his car, which is, you know, it's very cool to see. It is an absolute beast. Now, as you can see, we've got carbon fiber there as well, carbon fiber there. He's got carbon fiber for this as well. Beautiful, what is that, an oil catch tank in the same color. Yeah, this is very beautiful, and man, I just love that color with that carbon fiber. I think it's such a good match. So we'll close that up, and then we'll close these hood pins. Make sure that's all, yeah, that's secure. And then we'll take a look on the inside. So, spec wise, you can see that he loves a good spec, because he ordered this car in 2017, and he selected this beautiful brown tannish interior. Absolutely lovely, never seen it on a GTR, really like it. And you can see that because this is a 2017 GTR, the interior got a big upgrade as well. So this actually looks pretty damn good, I would say. Some carbon fiber on the interior as well, as I said. Down here, although I think this is stock, this is for Second Race Club. But yeah, really nice place to be. Very nice steering wheel, covered in super soft leather. That's cool actually, cool shapes. It's a good interior. So we'll start it up. Now, this car is quite extreme, and it has like a duality in its character, as Leslie likes it, because he likes to drive this car regularly and he wants it to be comfortable as well. But if he turns everything up, then it is absolutely insane. So we've got the Army Tricks remote down here for the exhaust, so we're going to open the exhaust. And then this is his ECU Tech app thing, so he can control everything in his car from here. I'm not going to touch anything, I'm just going to go there, because Godzilla mode is on. Godzilla fuel is a slider he can operate. This is basically from pops and bangs to massive foot-long flames. And then we've got flames on shift here, which is turned on, and that gives a massive bang on the shift as well, which is absolutely awesome. So I'm not going to rev it too loudly. I'm going to give you a little bit of a taster. So let's turn everything to R already. Don't know if that matters, but okay. So very nice. Go away, go away. Very nice sound. No, go away, wait. So this is nothing crazy yet. I'm going to, as I said, we're going to save that for the sound video, because then Leslie can operate everything and make sure that we get the best result. So we've got a 6-speed dual clutch gearbox linked to that V6, which is amazing. And let's take it for a drive and we'll see what the car feels like. Did I mention how much horsepower it has? No, I did not. Showed you all that stuff. So it's got 700 horsepower right now. And he could easily jump that up to 800, but he said his gearbox didn't really like that, so he settled at 700. Torque, I don't know the torque figure, but 700 is very decent, and it is performing very well. So you can hear that blow-off valve as well. That's quite loud. That is awesome. And that exhaust is very, very loud. Now, it's already pretty loud in here, but I know that when you stand behind it, it is insane. Oh, and then I think it's above 3,500 RPM. If you're full throttle, you get those big shifts with flames on shift. And that means that you get this bang, crackle, flame, whatever on the upshift, and it's, oh, it is so delicious. Oh. Oh, that is so nice. I love that so much. This is such a good gearbox as well. Oh man. What I like about the drivetrain and the tune is that it feels relatively normal still. Oh. Oh, I love that little delay in the shift as well. It reminds me of that 1200 horsepower GTR I drove with those straight cut gears. It has that same like big bang feel. See, and then when you drive it normally, you have the normal shifts, the regular automatic shifts basically, and then oh. Oh, that's insane. But it's such a comfortable car. I mean, I've got everything in R mode, so everything is turned up, but it still feels pretty comfy. All right, so at the Autobahn. Listen to those shifts. Oh my God. And then we've got this button right here. Press that. And then we can operate basically the pops and bangs, which I think is just genius, you know. Leslie wants to drive this car regularly, and when he goes to events, he wants to, you know, make a show with flames and big bangs and stuff like that. So he wants to have a car that can do both. I think that's brilliant. Because you don't always want to have like this stuff. Oh, that was a big one. You don't want this stuff to happen all the time, you know. Yeah, those shifts, I want those shifts all the time. Those are amazing. They're actually bigger when you hit like 6,000 RPM. Oh, that one. I love that so much. So the car actually needs an alignment. That's why everything is shaking a bit. You can see that right there. And because of those massive rear tires as well, I think, but it's actually behaving pretty well. And that is 300 on the speedo. Doesn't have too much trouble with that either. What a car. Oh, brakes. it is freaking savage. It is seriously quick. It is seriously quick. Oh! Oh my god, that is insane! No way! I love that so much. It just makes you feel, I don't know, happy. And that's the thing about this car. It has been customized, you know, on the outside, yes, the engine, yes, everything, but software wise too, you know, he can adjust everything. He's got 3 maps. He's got that flame mode, he's got the pops and bangs mode, he can adjust everything. And it fits the character of this car so well. And I think that is also the button for the rolling launch, because it also builds turbo pressure. So I think if you just floor it and have this button pressed and then let this button go, it just shoots, which is cool too. Oh, there are some rozzers who don't like my exhaust, so I'm going to behave a bit. Exhaust closed, please. Hello, sir. The German police don't really like loud exhaust, so that's why I had to behave a little bit. You can overtake them with 300 plus, but if they hear a loud exhaust, you're done. Okay, so of course we're going to hit this little overpass here with a big shift. Oh, this thing is mental. She liked it. Oh man, what an insane car. Leslie, thank you so much for taking it to us, for letting us drive it. As I said, we're going to record a lot more sound stuff right now with this car, with flames and stuff, so make sure you check out the sound video and check out Leslie on all platforms. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you at the next one. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video on the right, or go check out this playlist on the left. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one. Bye.